For a Senedd election, Wales is split into different voting areas, called constituencies. For the May election, Wales will be split into 16 new constituencies instead of the 40 that we currently have. In each of these new constituencies, you will elect 6 new members of the Senedd, or MSs for short. This means wherever you live in Wales, 6 members will represent you and your community in the Senedd. You can contact any or all of them about issues in your local area. The constituency changes were decided by the Democracy and Boundary Commission Cymru. They paired existing UK Parliament constituencies in Wales to create new ones for the Senedd. They also looked at things like local boundaries, transport links, features like rivers and hills, the use of the Welsh language, and how communities work together. What it means for you. 6 members per constituency means you'll have more choice on who you want to speak to when you want to raise an issue. You can contact any of them, in person, over the phone or online, no matter who you voted for. All 6 members represent you equally. If you want to find out your new constituency, you can use the Senedd's new map finder tool by searching your postcode on our website.